Hi everybody, welcome to TWR Facebook Live. First of all, I wanted to wish you all happy Tibetan New Year. May this New Year bring a lot of happiness, a lot of good health, prosperity, and also all the spiritual development, all the obstacles in your spiritual development be cleared, and all the wonderful things I wish you all. From Nepal, I am here in Kathmandu. It is actually pretty late here. So today's topic here is the meditation on dissolving fear. So meditation on dissolving fear is the continuation of the practices, the teachings that we have been doing so far. So tonight I wanted just to speak a little bit about what this fear is about, how does this fear comes, and what kind of practices that we can do to overcome this fear. So first of all, I think let's talk about what is fear. Fear is definitely an emotion that we all feel, everybody feels, but everybody feels different levels. Some people feel so much, so often, for any reasons people can feel, or others might feel not that often, not that strong, but you need very strong reason to feel fear because it not easily happens to you. So you can see that it's a different for all different people. So the reason why the fear actually comes, I think, from the point of view of the Dzogchen teaching, the teaching of great perfection. So great perfection teaching is, as most of you know, found primarily in the Burn tradition and ancient Nyingma tradition in the Tibetan Buddhist school. So this Dzogchen means great completeness and great perfection. So according to this system of great perfection, it's really like a reason why we feel fear is because we feel not complete. We feel not full. We feel something is lacking in us. We feel something is missing in us. We feel sometimes something wrong in us. So when we begin to feel not complete, not full, feeling something wrong in us, so then we become very vulnerable, very sensitive about around us or about from people, from everybody else. So you're from your environment, from your family, from your friends, from your workplace, you begin to feel very sensitive. It's almost like that everything what's happening around you is happening to you of something related with you. You take very often too many things very personal. So because you feel like that you feel not complete, you feel not full, you feel something not right, something wrong, then you feel vulnerable. That means you feel more easy target from other people. So people are not saying something specifically to you, you feel they are saying something to you. Or people are not doing something specifically to you, but you feel they are doing something to you. So somehow you become very vulnerable, very sensitive, very fearful. So that is, I think, the root, basically what I'm saying here, is the root of the fear. It's lack of realization of self, or lack of realization of great completeness, great perfection in yourself. It is when you feel not complete, when you feel not full, that is where I think the fear is coming very often. So if you look at current situations in your life, for example, think about, of course, sometimes you can say, well, I'm afraid of specific situation, I'm afraid of okay, so I think there was a little interruption. The connection of internet is not very strong here in Kathmandu. So I think it was every now and then the line is breaking. So, but at least there is some connection here. So I will not try to keep too long. So what I would like to do as a meditation today is to first, so basically this meditation will be, it's about trying to dissolve your fear. And as I said, fear is very much related to a sense of not feeling complete, not feeling full, becoming very vulnerable, taking too much personal every situation around you, from people, and probably that's what's happening very often in our life. And because sometimes fear could be also very physical, that you're afraid of a specific animal, afraid of flying, afraid of, public speaking, fear of many things. But the root is definitely, I think, it's not feeling some sense of complete and not feeling enough grounded and connected with yourself. So that is for sure. So let's look at specific situations in your life. Let's look at the fears that you are experiencing this moment in your life. The fears that you are maybe feeling about your health, fears that you are feeling about some changes which is not expected, fear of doing some error, mistakes, fear of rejection, just look at each one of your own the experiences of fear that you're experiencing this moment in your life. Then look at, are you experiencing more as a form of thought? Are you thinking a lot about the event, the situation? Or you're feeling more as an emotion, not too much of thought, but emotion, feeling just the fear very, very much as an emotion? Or you are feeling this emotion is very physical, that very much you're feeling in your chest, in your heart, very physical sensation. So either is as a form of thought. Remember, we talk about 9 different winds. We talk about thought, we talk about emotions, we talk about karmic related winds. So let's kind of trying to look closely to analyze it. Is it a thought that you feel more, you have more? Is it an emotion that you feel more? Or is it a physical sensation that you feel in your body more? Or all of them, little bit all of them? So just, I think very important is